Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Zain CSS prepsmart. Today we will study Pakistan Affairs MCQs from 15 March to 15 April 2025. Number first. On March 16, 2025, the Punjab government named Nawaz Sharif as patron-in-chief of the Lahore Authority for Heritage Revival's Steering Committee. Second, Nasir Sumru, one of the tallest men in the world, died on March 17, 2025. Third, on 18 March 2025, an in-camera meeting of the Parliamentary Committee on National Security was held. Fourth, on March 19, 2025, former leader of JUIF, Hafiz Hussain Ahmad passed away. Fifth, on March 19, 2025, Pakistan and Russia navies conducted bilateral naval exercise Arabian Monsoon 6. 6. On March 20, 2025, Pakistan's former hockey international Shahid Ali Khan breathed his last. 7. On March 20, 2025, Pakistan formally accepted the WTO's agreement on fisheries subsidies. 8. On March 21, 2025, the Federal Cabinet approved a 188% increase in the salaries and allowances of its members. 9. On March 21, 2025, the satellite-based internet provider Starlink, which is owned by Elon Musk, was granted temporary registration in Pakistan. 10th. On March 21, 2025, Hassan Nawaz struck the fastest century of just 44 balls by any Pakistani player in T20 International. 11th. Pakistan's current special representative for Afghanistan is Ambassador Sadiq Khan. 12. On March 23, 2025, Nishan-e-Pakistan posthumous was conferred upon former Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. 13. On March 23, 2025, prominent banker and philanthropist Sultan Ali Allana was honored with the prestigious Nishan-e-Khidmat. 14. The current MD of the Sindh Technical Education and Vocational Training Authority is Fawad Ghaffar Sumru. 15. On March 25, 2025, Republican Congressman Joy Wilson of South Carolina and Democrat Jimmy Panetta of California introduced a bipartisan bill titled Pakistan Democracy Act in the U.S. House of Representatives. 16. On March 25, 2025, Federal Energy Minister Awais Laghari inaugurated Pakistan's first 120 kilowatt fast charging station in Islamabad. 17. On March 27, 2025, Ijaz Anwar Chauhan was appointed as the Provincial Election Commissioner, Sindh. 18. On March 27, 2025, Lahore Blues beat Peshawar to clinch the National T20 Cup title. 19. On March 27, 2025, the Punjab Cabinet renamed Cholistan Canal and System as Mahfuz Shaheed Canal and System. 20. On March 28, 2025, the House of Representatives of the United States State of Texas passed a resolution officially recognizing March 23rd as Pakistan Day. 21st. On March 28, 2025, Pakistan's former Foreign Secretary and International Affairs expert Najmuddin A. Sheikh passed away. 22nd. On March 30, 2025, Pakistan's Noor Zaman won the Liverpool Cricket Club Open Squash Championship 2025. 23rd. On April 2nd, 2025, Trump administration slapped 29% reciprocal tariff on Pakistan. 24th. Pakistan's new permanent representative to the United Nations is Asim Iftikhar. 25th. On April 3rd, 2025, Mohsin Naqvi was appointed as the President of the Asian Cricket Council. 26th. The incumbent Director General of the Federal Investigation Agency FIA is Rifat Mukhtar. 27. On April 4, 2025, the federal government appointed Dr. Imtiaz Ahmad as Pakistan's new chief economist. 28. On April 4, 2025, Punjab's Environment Protection Agency became the first institution of Pakistan to receive the globally recognized ISO 9001 certification. 29. On April 7, 2025, Changping Zhao, founder of Binance, was appointed as strategic advisor to the Pakistan crypto. 30. On April 7, 2025, the federal government appointed B.A. Nazir as IG National Highways and Motorway Police. 31. On April 8, 2025, Pakistan's Mineral Investment Forum 2025 opened in Islamabad. 32. On April 8, 2025, Senator Taj Haidar, a seasoned politician and PPP's General Secretary, passed away. 33. The first match of the 10th edition of Pakistan Super League was played in Rawalpindi. 34. Renowned Pakistani stage and television actor Javeed Kodhu passed away on April 13, 2025. 35. On April 13, 2025, ex-Senator Professor Khurshid Ahmad, an economist, philosopher and politician from Jamaat-e-Islami, passed away. 36. On April 15, 2025, the first ever overseas Pakistanis convention opened in Islamabad. 37. On April 15, 2025, Pakistan's Fiza Farhan was recognized as one of the 40 under 40 global change makers. 38. From the Pakistan side, the Indus Water Treaty of 1960 was signed by Ayub Khan. 39. Television broadcasting in Pakistan began in Lahore with a pilot station on November 26, 1964. 40. PTV's first color transmission began in 1964. Thank you for watching Zain CSS prepsmart.